Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and God bless you guys. So today's video is going to be a hair review on this beautiful hair, and this hair is from Unice hair. I think I'm pronouncing it right, Unice or Unice. I think it's Unice hair. It is amazing. I actually love this hair so much. It is super soft. Okay, so let me just tell you basically what kind of hair this is. So this hair is the series Remy hair Peruvian straight hair with a lace frontal. I love lace frontals because lace frontals, it's the whole front of the head, and I actually love that so much. I don't really like when I'm like restricted to like only, you know, showing this part of like my face. I like when I'm able to like pull my hair back or like wear it behind my ears, and like all of like the perimeter of my forehead is showing. So I love it so much that it is a frontal. Their frontal feels really good. The lace is really nice, and it's a really good size of like the thickness of the lace. I know sometimes you get hair and like the hair is super thick, and you're like, why is the lace so thick, you know, and like it's so noticeable. But this lace is not that thick and it's not noticeable at all. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can see the lace on me. I'm just learning how to perfect my lace fronts, but as it goes for like just the size of the lace, it's not super thick or tough at all. It's like a really nice soft thin lace, and I really do appreciate that. So the bundles that I have in my hair are 28, 28, 26, and 24 with a 20-inch closure, well, 20-inch lace frontal. I love the length of this hair. It's super long. It's like really full. The bundles are full. The bundles are not super thin. I hate when I get hair too and like the bundles are so thin. It's like, yo, they really pinched the hair with these bundles. But no, the bundles were a very good size, and like I didn't end up using all the hair. I think I end up using all the 28s, and I used half of the 26 and maybe 25% of the 24. Honestly, I didn't even use all the hair. I still have a lot of hair left back. So yeah, I just love this hair so much. It's so pretty. It is not like your jet black hair, but it is like black, but not jet black. It's like, I think it's called 1B. 1B is like a step away from jet black, right? I don't even know. I'm not sure. So I'll put the price of the hair on the screen, and I'll also put the price and a direct link to the hair in the description box below, so you guys can go and check out their hair. I see a lot of my favorite people to watch on YouTube and on Instagram with Unice hair, and I'm always like, damn, that hair is so nice. I wish I can try it. I need to try the hair, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to try Unice hair, because you guys, I'm not even joking, like this hair is super bomb. I did a get ready with me featuring this hair where I showed you guys like how I put the hair up in this style and stuff. So if you want to know, like if you want to see that, it's already on my channel right now. I'll probably just link it in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can go and click that, or I'll put like a little thing here so you guys can go and click it there. But yeah, the shedding of this hair is minimal, very minimal, but there is some shedding. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys, there is some shedding, but nothing too crazy where it's like, oh my gosh, this hair just does nothing but shed. Nothing like that. I put curls in this hair just to see like how it would curl, so that's why there's like a wave to the hair, if you're wondering, because this is a straight hair, but that's why there's a wave to it, because I did put curls in it just to see how it would hold up, and it does hold up very well, but I combed them out. But yeah, you guys, this hair is super nice. I love it. I honestly don't have anything bad to say about this hair. It was super easy to pluck the frontal. I plucked it within like maybe 10 minutes. Honestly, the frontal came pretty, I wouldn't say it was plucked, but it wasn't as thick as normally, as like when you get a frontal, how normally it's thick. When I got this frontal, it wasn't that thick, and I really appreciate that, because I hate when it's super thick and I have to take so long to pluck the frontal. But this, because it wasn't that thick, I didn't have to take that long to pluck the frontal, which is very nice. And I just added some baby hairs, and it just looks really natural. It looks really good. I mean, I'm not a master on making wigs or like, you know, plucking frontals, but I did this and I actually really like it a lot. I think it came out really nice. I have nothing bad to say about the hair, you guys. Honestly, when it came, it didn't stink. Sometimes when you get hair, it smells so bad. When it came, it did not smell bad. I didn't even bleach the knots. I didn't bleach the knots on this. I just like took it out the bag and like just made the wig, and that was it. I added some like hair powder, like some foundation powder to my to the perimeter of my forehead, but that was basically it. So yeah, if you don't want to bleach the frontal, you don't have to, because it looks pretty good. I mean, you guys tell me, but I think it looks pretty good, honestly. But yeah, so anyways, this is the hair. Let me show you guys how long it is. The hair is pretty long, so it goes like right there by my waist, like all the way by my waist. That is how long the hair is. And the ends aren't like trashy or nothing. The ends are really nice. I ain't got nothing bad to say about this hair. I love this hair. It's cute. It is bomb. And yeah. But anyways, guys, like I said, I'll put all of their information down below in the description box so you guys can go and check them out. Thank you so much to Unice Hair for sending me this hair. I love it. You guys, if I didn't like it, I would tell you guys. I got no problem telling you guys if the hair is bad or not, because we all work hard for our money. So if it was bad, I would let y'all know. But honestly, the hair is nice. Noah, do you like the hair?
Yeah.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nova likes it too. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. I remember all the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much again to Unice Hair, and I will see you guys in my next one. This hair is bomb though. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.